people, the public. Late, we've noticed one inmate has been standing out quite a lot, and that is the celebrity inmate that you have, Mighty T. So the question people have been asking is, why is Mighty T getting favoritism? How is the process? How does this process work?
Okay, so first of all, let's just give credit where it's due. You know, we wouldn't be talking about these things if they weren't there. So, like I pointed out earlier, what gets arrested is just the individual, and not the talents, and not the natural endowments. Mighty T is out there, she's known. That's why she's so visible. She's not the only one who goes out. If you were at the agricultural show, you'd have seen some inmates performing there doing traditional dance. But they're not topical in the social discourse because they are not known. They're not celebrities, as you correctly point out. So people like Mighty T, if she coughs, people get to make content out of it.